Brigid, Saint most holy, the Patron of Éireann, O make us holy, whatever foes beguile. Make the holy still more holy, make the pure one still more pure. With thy protection, Brigid, of blessings we are sure. The lamp of love you lighted in golden days of yore, within the heart of Éireann, oh make it glow once more. When heedless hearts would quench it, and ruthless foes assail, be near to shield and guard it, O Mary of the Gael. Be near us, holy Brigid, when suffering comes our way. Be near us when the tempter would lead our souls astray. Watch over all thy children, where'er on earth they be, and keep them always faithful to Éirinn, God and thee.